attention, because you're about to see the serpent's true strength. Fighting with a tail is no easy feat. It takes tons of practice and a little talent.
Ya mulai guys, gini lagi. Kenapa ya? Kok jadinya potret terus ya? Dulu gue mencari potret malah ini susah. Sekarang gue nggak mau potret, dia malah potret, gak jelas deh. Ya udah lah guys ya, nggak apa-apa lah ya. Lelah aku. Nah, kalau pakai aplikasi YouTube gak enak juga. Udah lah ya, kita gas aja guys. Ini rank kan? Oke, rank gas. Kemarin kita udah 3 kali make Novaria di klasik ya. Apakah sudah bisa dipakai di sini? Gue midlane
Your team is banning.
Wih, udah bisa Novaria.
Your team is banning.
Joy gak sih guys? Kok Hanzo?
Your
Gitu.
team is picking.
Let them play the hero.
The enemy
I
is
will be the
picking.
truth this world desperately needs.
Light me up and watch the world burn!
Protect
Please pick a hero. The falling stars brought us here.
Novaria ya. Ini skin dapat dari ini nih kayaknya dia. Dapat dari
Experience the euphony of
The enemy is
suffering.
picking.
mana? Dari
Where the light shines,
si
flowers will bloom.
ada event guys. Pokoknya ada event lah. Dapat lapu-lapu, Akai atau itu ya MM ya. Terang amat dah perasaan.
Sancho. I've been waiting.
Gunpowder in the
Enemy is picking.
Nggak apa-apa sih.
Time and tide wait for
Lance bro.
Nor girl.
Boljuk. Kapan main? Ini main. Apakah diriku sudah jago setelah kemarin 3 match memakai Novaria? Arsenal for life. Runner up aja.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Mending
map.
pakai ini gak sih move pada guys?
Smash them. All troops
Mending ini sih kata gua, biar sakit.
the 9
Ini
billion
ngalangin ya,
stars
gue liat-liat.
above.
Gue terus ini dah.
Every one of them.
Kenapa nggak pakai Layla? Aduh, Layla nggak bisa kabur.
Rain of stars.
Stargazers only see the
Ih, nggak
past.
kena lagi.
What I want, however, is to reshape the future.
Bang, nggak balik aja bang. Tapi bisa ngebug ah. Males tapi.
Okay. Rain of stars.
Wah, nge-lag cek.
Request backup.
Wah, ada di situ dia.
The paths of life are not
First blood. Enemy has been slain.
Ntar gue bantuin sini dulu guys.
my home has long gone with those stars.
Good game.
I have my destiny on my fingertips.
An enemy has
Ha, gonna die bro.
request
Come to
backup.
me. Shine for me.
Aduh, mana gua habis bang.
A kind of bliss.
Slain the turtle.
It became
Okay.
get lost in the stardust.
Aduh, kena lagi.
Rain of stars.
Bang, jadi
Rain of stars.
bang gue back dulu bang.
I won't look back.
Launch
Nggak pakai alpha.
request backup.
Gak, males.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Double
Dah,
kill.
kena kan?
Understood.
Come to me.
Let's go.
Shine for me.
Unstable network.
Iya, jagoannya pendek banget. Ya namanya juga ini kayak fighter bro.
Rain of stars.
Come to me. Stargazing is not lonely. Shine for me.
You have slain an enemy. Zero slain.
Come to me. I have my destiny on my fingertips.
Mega kill.
Come to me.
An enemy has been slain.
Aduh, gak kena lagi.
Rain of stars.
Ini mana gue langsung habis ya?
Brilliant.
Attack the turtle.
A kind of blueness, boundlessness devoured me. And then
Need it.
it became me.
Understood.
Celestial revelation.
Hope is not
Rain of stars. Shining on the outside.
killing spree.
Itu dia bro.
Rain of stars. Double kill. Attack. Good game.
Shine for me.
Yo,
Launch attack. Understood.
mati di situ lagi.
Initiate retreat. Slain.
confinement. Come to me.
Double kill. Ally has an enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
The stars see all. They never care.
Nah, mati dong. Udah ya, itu namanya teknik pemancingan ya. Halo Ezran.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Nah, bagus bersihin tengah.
Time to look for new possibilities.
Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Rain of stars.
Jangan dibelokin dong, Bang.
Killing spree. Oh, it's not
Come to
ready.
me.
Coba ngebuk males. Orang mau main nyantai kok.
For me.
Mahfuz, selamat makan lu, ayo.
The paths of life are not in the stars, but beneath our feet.
Mega kill.
Ih, boleh lu benar.
Shine for me.
Double kill.
Gak kena lagi anjing.
Behold the stars. Rain of stars.
Kasihan itu si ini.
Destroyed a turret.
Everyone gets to make their own path. Rain of stars. Come to me.
Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain an enemy. Double kill.
Stargazing is not lonely in Eruditio.
Bakar terus, Bang. Mati lagi anjing, jago banget ya orang.
Launch attack. Understood. Oh, not ready.
Gak boleh sembarangan guys, soalnya
Our turret
tadi malah Ben Hanzo udah gue bingung. Padahal kata gue Hanzo bukan ancaman serius anjir. Ya kalah itu. Guys, jangan mentang-mentang kita menang anjir.
Shining on the outside, yet dark within. Celestial
Mampus gue lambatin, ayo.
initiate. You have slain an enemy. Attack the Lord.
Come to me. The stars lit up a path. Stellar confinement.
Double kill.
Mati ya di...
Kill.
Dapet asis ya bang. Tuh bang, incer dulu bang. Nah,
Ally has slain Lord.
bersihin ini bang. Nah,
Time to look for new possibilities.
Launch attack. Oh, it's not ready.
Itu dia bang.
Rain of stars. Your team launch attack. My hope has long gone with those stars. You have
Itu dia bang.
go back to where you belong.
Double kill.
A kind of blueness, boundlessness, devoured me. And then it became me.
Your team destroyed the turret. Destroyed the turret. Launch attack.
Let's go.
Enemy has been slain.
The stars see all, but they never care. Shine for me!
Semangat bang, mau cari victory tuh Young's Crew.
Stellar confinement! Shine for me!
Slain an enemy.
Rain of stars!
Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Itu dia bro.
Celestial revelation!
Killing spree.
The paths of light are not in the stars, but beneath our feet.
Legendary.
Come to me!
Iya, itu dia menang boy. I'm the best that ever was, you know. Wih, dua bintang bro. Wih, di sangar biasa aja sih. Kuncinya apa? Main dengan santai. Tidak memikirkan kemenangan, yang penting fun, asik. Itu kata orang yang tidak jago ya. Jadi dengerin makanya. Let's go. Ini Skalea tuh jatuhnya tank. Ini Kalea ya namanya? Apa siapa sih? Lupa gua. Baru install lagi gua nggak tahu apa-apa jadi. Nanti gua di offline gua mainin deh si siapa? If gua udah dapat dari ini buy one. Aduh, males banget buy one. Udah tau gua nggak jago, udah gitu buang-buang waktu tahu. Gue mau coba Paramis guys. Mid lane deh rebutan. Udah gue XP lane dah. Gue Xbox ya.
Ban a hero.
Jesse. Apaan sih Benzilong Fighter, gak jelas banget dah. Ini apa ada?
Your team is
Kok Harley? Layla lagi. Di Epic emang rada-rada ya. Maksud gue Layla tuh bukan ini untuk sekarang bukan termasuk nggak inilah, nggak jadi ancaman gitu.
Sancho. The enemy is picking.
Gue Xbox aja dah. Gue jago Xbox doang aja.
Alpha is online.
Tadi kan gak ada yang jungle ya? Kapan live lagi? Ya lihat aja nanti. Kalau nyantai gue live, kalau gue lagi nggak nyantai gue nggak bisa live.
Where there is light, there are
Mampus
also
saber lu ya.
shadows.
Mau lawan saber ya, saber. Ih. Oh jungle-nya dia. Oke bang, izin keluar bentar. Yoi.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Lihat, dia jungle Mia. This is so freaking.
Firefly is born by thy wish, guided by lantern's light.
Wah, nih kenapa sih kita dikasih tipe begini? Gue nggak tahu ya ini jago apa. Ya Allah, nggak jungle nggak ada nyet. Gue Xbox dah boleh.
Muscle of iron, bones of steel.
Light me up and watch the world burn!
Retribusi dong gue. Iya, ini pertama kali gue jungle ya. Habis gak ada retri guys. Bodoh amat lah, udah tim ngaco ini anjing.
Failed to claim me.
Sempurna gigimu sempurna. Gue nggak tahu ini bener apa kagak ya. Abis gak ada yang jungle guys, bingung gua. Gue junglein aja lah. Dia lama banget lagi. Namanya kok Toke Karisma user Mia, tapi pakainya itu anjing.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Welcome to my inferno! I'm gonna incinerate Iridatio until it's nothing but a pile of ash! Woohoo!
Ini jungle bakal lama guys.
Ashes to ashes!
Lihat, Mianya langsung ngambil anjir, gak jelas banget.
Oh my! Those are not fireflies!
Enak aja lu mau ambil ya, kocak.
Request backup! World on fire! Got anything with more heat? There! Come here! Let me add some warmth to Iridatio!
Launch initiate retreat.
Gua nggak tahu ini bener apa kagak ya.
Come here!
Launch attack. First blood. Attack. Okay.
trusted those liars in Eruditio.
Gather at the turtle! Request backup!
Gak jelas.
You're on fire! Not even close!
Ini dulu dah. Gue nggak tahu cara jungle yang benar guys. Bodoh amat lah ya. Yang penting ke makan nih jungle anjir.
Set the world on fire!
Enemy has been slain! Attack has been slain! Double kill!
Oops! You're on fire! These scars can never be healed. Never.
Ally has launched initiate retreat!
Fuel.
Ribet kalau harus bikin jungle tuh guys. Makanya gue males banget ngejungle.
An enemy has been slain!
Diambil dia loh.
Launch attack! Gather at the turtle! Ally has been initiate retreat! Killing spree!
Aduh.
Initiate retreat!
Tuh. Udah bisa fokus gue guys mekanik tua.
No turning back.
MMA ada 2 anjing, bingung gua.
Let me add some warmth to Eruditio.
An enemy has been slain! Mega kill!
Yah, mati dong.
I ain't got time to care about the suffering of others. My fire is burning brighter. Burn, you
Our
sinful
turret has
soul!
been destroyed!
Suffer my pain.
Request backup!
Let fire
Let's go. Enak aja, lihat.
Ashes to ashes.
Thank you loh bang.
Enemy has been slain.
Come here. You're on fire.
Launch attack.
Come here.
Request initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Ally has been slain.
Fire. Incinerate all evil.
Let's go.
Triple kill. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Stop playing with fire. My patience is burning out.
Monster kill. Launch attack. Request backup.
You're on fire.
Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac. Your team destroyed the turret. An ally has slain Thor. Team destroyed the turret. Launch attack.
Let's go. Let's go. Itu dia bro.
Thing with more heat. Set the world on fire. Come here.
Team destroyed the turret.
Ntar bang, gua ambil dulu bang.
Not even close. There's no turning back.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Come here.
Shut down. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Come here. I'm loving this cyborg body.
Ya, tai.
Launch attack.
Turn up the heat.
Ambilnya terus.
Request backup.
Yang juggler lu apa siapa?
Launch attack.
Ntar dulu bang, di situ nggak ada apa-apa bang, bersih dulu bang.
Request backup. Launch attack. Request backup. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Fires in Eruditio!
Launch attack. Launch attack. An ally has slain Lord. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Double kill.
Let me add some warmth to Eruditio!
Kita harus ini dulu nih. Super stuck guys.
Let's turn up the heat!
Mega kill. Ally has double kill.
Lu ngapain sih ke situ dah? Menang anjing. Siapa nih tadi yang masuk gua? Wah.
Victory.
Hah, Mia ngambilin bab gua doang. Gue mau ngambil Paramis guys.
Your team is banding.
Joy sih.
Your team is banding. The enemy is picking.
Waduh, ntar harus belajar.
I've been waiting for too long. Pick a hero.
Novari aja deh. Paramis lah ya.
To live is to trick the Reaper.
Notion is not just our own,
Enemy is picking.
it is who we are.
Let's play together.
Aduh, salah nih. Kayak gini harusnya Novaria ya. Cuman ya gimana?
So, who's next?
Your team is picking.
I do what I want to do.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Kok banyak banget Mia guys? Emang Mia lagi di buff ya? Apa emang ini karena epic guys?
Muscle of iron.
Tapi maksud gue jadi seru aja gitu kalau semua hero tuh pada dapat porsinya gitu. Kalau gue lihat sekarang kan banyaknya ngambilnya hero-hero itu aja yang ada di MPL kan. Itu kelebihan epic sih menurut gue. Banyak hero aneh yang nongol. Cuman kalau nggak jago juga ya sama aja sih.
Your team is picking.
Ah, pamer nih, gue gedek banget dah.
All who dare stand in my way will be devoured.
Mereka pasti akan kalah, apa iya? Boleh tuh sih. Nah, Warcry bro, ngeri banget. Ini gue belum tahu nih Warcry hero ini baru lagi. Belum baru lagi ya. Siapa sih ini yang belum nih? Si Chang'e nya.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Another experiment begins. Again, I will infuse the dead with souls. I have life and death at my command.
First blood. Initiate retreat.
I've seen the worst and best of all colors.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
What wouldn't I give up for the formula of life? Fascinating case.
Ini bisa tembus gak sih guys?
Close.
Kok bisa ya?
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Come close. is a thrilling enterprise.
Request backup.
Lively creature.
An ally has slain the turtle. Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Need assistance.
This is promising.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Perang mulu dah yang bawah.
Care to know a recipe for death?
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Aku balik dulu bodo amat.
Backup. Initiate retreat. Slain.
I need more time.
Initiate retreat. Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Take honor in your sacrifice. Devote your soul. Come close. Necromancy is a most noble art.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Request backup. You have slain an enemy.
The cure. It works.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Pusing gua, maju mulu anjing.
Our turret has been destroyed.
I've seen the worst
Your
and
team
best.
destroyed a turret.
Come close.
Slain. Double kill. Ally has been slain.
Kenapa mati lagi sih tuh Atlas?
Lively creature. Come close.
Initiate retreat. Has been slain.
Life is a thrilling
Okay.
enterprise.
You destroyed a turret. Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Come close. Fasten the gates.
Enemy has been slain.
Come close. Come close. Again, I will infuse the dead with soul. Come close.
Our turret has been destroyed.
This is promising. Come close.
Killing spree.
Balik dulu.
At my command.
Initiate retreat.
Dip in the fount.
Perangnya gak ada gua mulu dah, bingung gua. Mianya nih.
Come close.
Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed.
Kan jadinya bingung gua.
Mega kill. Shut down.
Death is only a rotten choice. Revive!
Our turret is under attack.
Devote your soul.
Mampus lo.
I need more time.
Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Necromancy is a
Our turret is under attack. Attack the Lord.
come close.
Mega kill.
Revive!
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Killing spree. Retreat.
Come close.
Initiate retreat.
Come close. That potion. Still. I need a dip in the fount.
Udah tim ngaco guys.
For necro kill.
Gather up the Lord.
Come close.
Destroy the turret. Triple kill.
It served its purpose. Lively creature. Come close.
Mega kill. Our turret is under attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed.
Gak diberesin aja lainnya.
Come
Mega kill.
Devote your soul. Come close.
Monster kill. Double kill.
Yuk, let's go.
Ally has
Lah, mati guys.
initiate retreat. Your team destroyed the turret. Your team destroyed the turret. An enemy has been slain.
Sunnya mati.
Legendary. Double kill.
Come close.
Sunnya mati nih nyet.
Ally has been slain. Your team launch attack.
Come close.
Kah mati anjing.
Initiate retreat.
Baliklah.
Impressive apparatus.
Ya mati aja.
Shut down. Unstoppable. Double kill.
Yeah.
Your turret is under attack.
Begonya gue tuh nafsu.
Victory.
Let's go. Mati 10 mau jadi apa aja? Gak jelas banget. Tapi dia tank wajar sih. Mia ini lo anjing, gak ada gunanya anjir. Let's go. Spam mid ya kalau bisa. Gue pengen main mid nih. Ah, telek gue duluan. Terlalu banyak beden. Nah. Joy ya. Joy Link. Ya gua
worlds, and not a single worthy
Go!
friend.
The enemy is picking.
Only love and light.
ya cacinya diambil kontil. Gue ya udah dah Nova.
Fight! Fight for the ultimate answer.
XP lu kocak. Ah, banyakan gaya nih bocah.
My blood boils until the day I die.
I do what I
Ini tadi guys itu Mia Hanabi guys. Sebenarnya jadi tim kita. Oke, Link. Oke.
Please pick a hero. The falling stars brought us here.
Mending assassin gak sih? Iya, mending assassin guys gua. Ngincer lari ya sih. Boleh Hunter x Hunter deh. Scalebor.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
The star, the 9 billion stars above. I know every one of them. Everyone gets to make their own path.
Oke, kita ke bawah ya.
Initiate retreat! First blood!
Ngasih makan doang anjing.
Shine for me!
It's destined.
Shine for me! Shine for me!
Itu ngapain ke tengah dah?
Come to me.
Initiate retreat!
The paths of life are not
Slain an enemy!
beneath our feet. I have my destiny on my fingertips.
An enemy has been slain! Double kill!
Stargazing is not lonely in Eruditio.
The enemy has slain the dragon! Killing spree! Well played.
The stars see all, but they never care. However far, I'll reach every burning star.
Let's go.
Shine for me!
My hope has long gone with those stars. Come to me!
Shine for me! Rain of stars! Ally has been slain.
The paths of life are not in the stars, but beneath our feet.
Initiate retreat!
Gila, gue bolak-balik guys.
Request backup!
Has long gone with those my own light.
Rain of stars!
Stargazers only see the past. What I want
Wah anjing ya.
is to reshape the future.
Come to attack! Slain! Double kill!
Come to me.
An enemy has been slain! An ally has slain the turtle!
Come to me.
Thank you! Initiate retreat! Ally has stars! Thank you!
Come to me.
Destroy the turret!
Behold the stars.
An enemy has been slain!
Shine for me. Stellar confinement. Everyone gets to make their own path.
An enemy has been slain!
Double kill. Stargazing is not lonely in Eruditio.
Dong, jebolin dong.
Get dark within.
Mega kill!
A kind of blueness, boundlessness, devoured me. And then, shine for me!
Shut down! Unstoppable!
Come to me!
Kena setun anjing.
I can't fall.
Initiate retreat! An enemy has been slain!
Mati.
Ally has been slain!
Mundurlah.
Initiate retreat!
Awal kehancuran nih guys.
Ally has been
Mundur.
retreat!
Time to look for new possibilities.
Monster kill! Rain of stars! Double kill! Your team destroyed the turret! Destroyed the turret! Has slain the turret!
Celestial revelation.
Slain! Legendary!
It's destined.
Double kill!
Shine for me!
Your team destroyed a turret!
Come to me! Shine for me! Come to me!
Legendary!
Shining on the outside, yet dark within. Come to me! Shine for me!
Launch attack!
Come to me! Everyone.
Legendary! An enemy has been slain! Double kill!
Aduh, gak kenal lagi anjir. Susah juga ya guys memprediksi gerakan.
Rain of stars!
Baliklah.
Initiate retreat. Come to me. An enemy has been slain. Stellar confinement. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Matilah.
Get lost and come to me. Double celestial revelation. Wiped out. Shine for me.
Dapat, bro.
The stars lit up a path for me and dimmed my own light.
Let's go.
Allies slain. Killing spree.
Just another
Double kill.
Dipaksa ini.
Shine for me. Stellar confinement. Initiate retreat.
Gazing is not lonely in Eruditio.
Shine for me. Ally has been slain.
By the will of the stars.
Celestial revelation. Rain of stars. An enemy has been
Yo, let's go.
double kill. Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed. Initiate retreat.
The paths of life are not in the stars, but beneath our feet.
Kok suka gagal ya?
A kind of blueness, boundlessness, devoured me. And then
Come to me. Destroy the turret. Mega kill. Behold the stars. Shut down. Shine for me. Meet your end. Rain of stars. Come to me. Don't give up. Let's try again. Initiate retreat. Shine for me.
Aduh, salah.
Choo. Rain of stars. Stellar confinement. Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Baliklah.
Initiate retreat.
Tuh, ada di situ.
An ally has slain Thor. Celestial revelation. Initiate retreat.
the stars lit up a path for me and dimmed my own light. Stargazing is not lonely in Eruditio.
Yo, let's go.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Menang lah bro, gila, buta map tuh.
Victory.
Dapat bintang lagi bro. Produktif sekali ya. Gila pada beban ya. Itu investasi gue sering bolak-balik ke farmland. Oke. Mungkin segitu dulu aja, udah sejaman ya guys tuh. Makasih ya yang udah mampir ya. Terima kasih yang sudah nonton dan mampir. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Risik banget dah.